Today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use anytrans for iPhone free tutorial. Let's get right into it. Type in anytrans or access the website here in your search engine or search bar, and then click on the website. Download it completely for free on your desktop, or you can even scan the QR code here if you would like. And then once you go through all the download it and click all the options which are necessary, you should be given the screen right here. Click on Device Manager if you would like to back up an application, and then click on Apps. Locate an app that you would like to back up onto your PC if you would like. This is very good because if you lose any of your applications or apps on your iPhone or smartphone device, you can back it up here directly by downloading the app. I'm going to click on this app right here, Paylocity, and I'm going to click this to PC or download. Locate where you would like to download this and save your application. As you can see, it's currently transferring the application onto your PC device. And here's the application. Now you will have a trial version. It's only 3 days, as you can see. These are the remaining things that you can do with anytrans. You can activate it, or you can even buy it if you would like to back up anything, such as books, audiobooks, podcasts, ringtones, voice memos, auto recordings, contacts, calendars, and the list goes on, etc., etc. You can even do the exact same thing that I just showed you before and how to do this with music. And as you can see, you can upload or export as many iPhone, smartphone apps or applications that you would like. Next, I'm going to show you how you can load these apps or applications on your iPhone, smartphone device through and with anytrans. Okay, so step 1 here is to plug into your iPhone device to the computer. Step number 2 is to open up anytrans, and as you can see, the iPhone device has been detected. The next step is to scroll down and click on App Downloader. Make sure that this is under the name that you would like this to download, and you can see we have 2 applications that are saved. So once App Downloader has been tapped, you want to click Add, and we're basically going to add an application onto anytrans. Choose one of the applications that you would like to add, or the apps. And once the IPA has been loaded, click and then click here on Install to download onto your device. Continue trial. And as you guys are currently seeing, it's loading on the screen. And we have just successfully downloaded an iPhone app using anytrans. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.